Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese broccoli. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of fresh broccoli florets, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Also, have 1.5 cups of milk and 8 ounces of your favorite shredded cheddar cheese on hand. These simple items are the foundation for a fantastic side dish. Now, let's get that broccoli perfectly cooked. You can either steam or boil your broccoli florets until they are tender crisp. This typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring they retain a vibrant green color and a slight bite. Once cooked to your liking, make sure to drain the broccoli thoroughly. We want to avoid any excess water that could thin out our delicious cheese sauce later. Next, it's time to create our rich and creamy cheese sauce. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a smooth roux. Gradually pour in 1.5 cups of milk, stirring continuously until the mixture thickens. Finally, add 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, stirring until it's completely melted and wonderfully smooth. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently combine your perfectly cooked broccoli florets with the warm, creamy cheese sauce. Toss everything until the broccoli is evenly coated in that luscious goodness. Serve your cheese broccoli immediately as a comforting and flavorful side dish that pairs well with almost any meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.